From the innovators who created the world's driest bath mat comes the world's cleanest dish drying system. Isn't it time your dish rack caught up with the rest of your kitchen? Life has changed since the 50s. We no longer source our vegetables from a can. Women are portrayed in roles outside the kitchen. And there's an app for everything. So why is the dish rack stuck in the past? The old school dish rack was designed to drip dry plates, cups, and silverware, leaving puddled water and bacteria behind. Why are we still using the same rusty metal baskets and funky smelling kitchen towels to dirty just washed dishes? Built upon the enthusiasm for the Dries bath mat, we created the world's first mold-free dish drying system. The Dries dish rack and dish pad are the first kitchen products to integrate our trademark Diomat technology. Made of diatomaceous earth, or fossilized algae, Diomat prevents bacteria by dispersing the water throughout for rapid evaporation. The Dries dish rack is designed for your lifestyle, whether you're an aspiring chef working on your mad knife skills, a new mom with an endless supply of bottles, or a fitness enthusiast with containers and shakers for every activity. The side rails accommodate modular accessories customized to fit your most frequently used dishes. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame holds a cutting board with plenty of space for larger pots, pans, and bowls. Have heavy-duty cookware and ceramics? Stack away without bowing or bending. The sustainable, food-safe Diomat evaporates moisture from the base in seconds. How about those occasions when you don't need a full rack, but simply a sanitary space to dry your dishes while protecting the countertops? We've got you covered with the Dries foldable drying pad. The eco-chic Dries system instantly eliminates pooling water, a perfect replacement for your arsenal of squishy foam offenders and perpetually smelly hand towels. The silicone wrapping helps promote 360-degree airflow while protecting your delicate items. When you're done drying, just fold and store. A team of researchers, designers, engineers, and germaphobes, Dries has spent the last 10 months brainstorming, prototyping, and testing to create the perfect dish drying system. We invite you to join in our excitement to modernize kitchens and bring the solution to life. We appreciate and want to thank the community of backers who help make our visions a reality. So we're offering exclusive discounted pricing on the Dries dish drying system for this campaign. Our vision is to eliminate unwanted moisture and combat mold in every home with eco-chic, sustainable design. We hope to be invited into yours. Please help us reinvent the dish rack by backing our Kickstarter today.